Hello everyone! Today we are going to have a different kind of video. This video is for you to practice. So, you are going to listen some words and then choose the right sound. First of all, we have these words: cheap, steal, keep, and tin. So, listen carefully and choose the right sound. Cheap, steal, keep, and tin. Secondly, we have these words: bed, spend, and dead. Bed, spend, and dead. In the third place, we have these words: cup, card, and heart. Cup, card, and heart. The next words are sport, pots, and coats. Sport, pots, and coats. Here we have full, good, and pool. Full, good, and pool. Finally, we have again, girl, and bird. Again, girl, and bird. So, listen the words and choose the right sound. If you want to practice more, visit the links below.